Hi, welcome to the Stay Home Artist channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited to show you the lily flower and how I like to stitch it. I'm going to be using 3 different shades of embroidery thread. I'm starting with a light tealish green here, and I've got 3 strands of thread with my size 5 embroidery needle. Now to add these filaments, I'm using a split stitch with my 3 strands here, and I'm going to do that for each little filament on my outline here. Now before I fill in the anthers to the top of each filament, I'm actually going to fill in each individual flower petal first. So I've got just 2 strands of embroidery thread with a size 10 embroidery needle, stitching in the 3865 color of DMC, and I like to begin at the top of each flower petal and bring it in toward the center with my satin stitching, just following the same angle the whole time. And I do this for each individual flower petal. It takes forever to do your satin stitching this way, and you'll hear me say this all the time, but personally I like to do this because it creates a very seamless satin stitch, and with a very fine tipped needle you can get all your lines seamlessly lined up together. Now I'll fill in my anthers. I've got, once again, just 2 strands of embroidery thread, and I'm just going to use a straight stitch to add just the smallest little anther at the top of each filament that I've already filled in. And I'm going to be doing this on top of my satin stitching that I've filled in the previous step. Alright, thanks for joining me to stitch this lily. I hope you learned something new. Please join me again next time and hit subscribe. Thank you!